Fairfax County set up a building repositioning work group, which was established to provide recommendations to the Board of Supervisors on how to add flexibility to our processes to support building reuse and repositioning. Looking at innovative uses such as e-Lofts and other kinds of new and emerging uses of existing building properties was one of the primary recommendations of the work group. The e-Lofts concept is one that is being brought to Bailey's Crossroads in the 5600 Columbia Pike area.
E-Lofts are terrific loft-style apartments in which every unit has the ability at all times to be rented as either a place to live, a place to work, or a place to live and work. We came up for the idea for e-Lofts. We've been working on it for about 2 years. And we started out by focusing on really why there was so much empty office space in the Washington area. And what we were surprised by was we noticed that every year since 2008, the Washington area gained jobs every year, and also the office vacancy rose every year. If that's the case, there may be a way to find buildings that you could buy at significant discounts. The question was, what do you do with them? So we began looking around and saying, well, gee, what do office buildings have that they could offer to people? Well, they've got tall ceilings, they've got open floor plans, they tend to be located in really good high visibility areas near retail. And so we said, gee, they probably lay out very nicely as lofts. We really like Bailey's as a location because it's a place that already has a lot of startup businesses. It's a place that there's a lot of energy and creativity, and we think those are the kinds of things that people should be made aware of, and that we can help to facilitate that transformation and maybe bringing those businesses to the next step.
E-Lofts are an innovative idea that Fairfax County is interested in being able to accommodate, being able to add greater flexibility to building owners and residences and able to use the spaces how they would like to, as well as providing a greater market responsiveness so that owners of structures could be able to get tenants in fast and quickly, generating additional tax dollars to areas that may have vacant buildings today. It would be a huge benefit.